finna make some vegan cheese for y'all, and stay tuned. Here we go. You need 2 potatoes, peel them, chop them up. We got 2 carrots, peel them, chop those up. You know what I mean? Alright, then after you chop them up, you throw them in a pot and let them boil. You feel me? Alright, now your potatoes and carrots are nice and soft. After they boiled, you're gonna throw them on in here and blend them. Alright, now we're gonna add some good old spices, man. We got some nutritional yeast. We got the good old cumin, garlic, oregano. You know, that's optional, but that's what we like to use. Good old Tony Chachere's and a little pepper, man. Alright, we added our little spices up in there. No exact measurements, just, you know, do what you do. A little taste testing here and there. Alright, we blended everything up. And it's looking real cheesy, man. Oh yeah, another thing, you also need a little lemon and a little tapatio in there if you like to, but you gotta put some lemon in there. Alright, now we're gonna pour this into here. Yeah, it's a glass. It is what it is. Look at that, man. That's cheesy, wheezy. Ooh, 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 ooh. We got some guacamole tortilla chips we're gonna put on the plate. Alright, there goes that first layer. Yeah. Now we're gonna throw in the nacho chipotle up on there for the next level. You feel? Yeah, it was the bottom of the bag, but it's all good. Ooh, you can't tell me that cheese don't look good, right? We're gonna go ahead and top it off with the little sweet potato chips. You know what I mean? We're gonna top it off with that there. We're gonna throw a little bit of this avocado salsa on top. You know what I mean? There's a lot more you can put on here, but it's a little last minute video, so I ain't got all the extras. You know what I mean? And bam, there we go. Nice big batch of nachos. 3-chip. 3-layer nacho, man. That vegan cheese. Hey, that's it. That's all. Go make y'all some vegan cheese, man. Off the hook. Off the hook.